Hi friend, welcome to your handsome machinery. Now what you see is our relief valve used on the Volvo excavators. This is our part number with part name. It used on the Volvo EC210, EC140, EC135, and EC160.
Hello friends, welcome to Handsome Machinery. Now what you see is our air filter. It's very good quality. You can see the details. Here is your tune. It is our part number.
Hello friend, welcome to Handsome Machinery. There you can see our Volvo bed. It can be used Volvo machines. And then we see the details. And there is a label, the part number. All the quality is good. And then
Ecer technology makes foreign trading easier.